friends, welcome to my educational channel. Here you are at your pet our care. I am Dr. Sudashini Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you will enjoy this presentation. Today we are going to discuss about vitamin B1. Therefore today our topic is vitamin B1 for your dog. Vitamin B1 is an essential vitamin for your dog. Therefore, you have to provide adequate amount of vitamin B1 with your dog's feed. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, anti-beriberi factor. In human, this vitamin, that is vitamin B1 deficiency, leads to disease called beriberi. Therefore, this vitamin B1 also known as anti-beriberi factor. Anurin, and again this vitamin also called as anti-stress vitamin, and thiamine. Vitamin B1 is soluble in water, methanol and glycerol. It is stable at acidic pH. It is unstable in alkaline pH. Furthermore, it is unstable to heat and UV light. However, it is stable in frozen temperature. Isolation and synthesis of vitamin B1. Robert R. Williams, who lived between 1886 to 1965, isolated thiamine in 1933. He was an eminent American chemist. He synthesized vitamin B1 in 1935 and published all the details in 1936. Chemical formula of vitamin B1 is C12H17N4OS. Its molecular weight is around 265.35 gram per mole. Structure of vitamin B1, it consists of two parts, that is pyrimidine part and thiazole part. They link by methylene bridge. Thiamine in nature can be found in two forms, that is non-phosphorylated form and phosphorylated form. Non-phosphorylated form mainly found in plant materials. Phosphorylated form mainly found in animal products. 95% of thiamine phosphorylated products are thiamine pyrophosphate. 5% of thiamine phosphorylated forms also present as thiamine monophosphate or thiamine triphosphate. Digestion and absorption of vitamin B1. Free thiamine can be absorbed through the intestinal movement into the enterocyte by passive diffusion and active carrier-mediated transport. However, phosphate forms undergoes dephosphorylation by enzyme called alkaline phosphatase and release free thiamine. These free thiamines again absorbed by passive diffusion and active carrier-mediated transport through the intestinal lumen into the enterocyte. In the enterocyte, free thiamine can be converted to thiamine pyrophosphate, and this thiamine pyrophosphate used by the cell. Major amount of thiamine can be entered to portal circulation and goes to liver. From liver, minor amount of free thiamine can be transported through plasma throughout the body. However, large amount of thiamine pyrophosphate found within erythrocytes and leukocytes. Due to water solubility of this vitamin, it excretes via urine. Thiamine functions in two ways, that is, it acts as coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate, and again it has non-coenzyme activity. Thiamine functions as an antioxidant. Due to this antioxidant activity, it prevents aging and wrinkle formations in dogs. One of the most important functions of vitamin B1 is energy production. That means it burns sugars and produces ATP. By this way, it prevents carbohydrates stored as fat in the body, and it supports nucleic acid synthesis, and it ensures eye health through cataract prevention. Vitamin B1, also known as anti-stress factor, it has stress relieving activity and it improves memory and concentration. Vitamin B1 helps in development and repair of myelin sheath and therefore strengthen nervous system. And it produces acetylcholine, that is neuromuscular transmitter. And it maintains the wall of digestive tract and secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. According to AAFCO 2017, minimum recommended allowance of vitamin B1 for adult dog is about 0.56 mg per 1000 kilocalorie metabolizable energy. According to NRC 2006, minimum recommended allowance of vitamin B1 for dogs is about 0.56 mg per kilocalorie metabolizable energy. Reasons for thiamine deficiency. There are dietary causes for thiamine deficiency. They are insufficient dietary intake. It is invariably cause thiamine deficiency. And presence of thiaminase in shellfish and raw fish viscera. If your dog eat raw fish viscera, it will lead to thiamine deficiency. And presence of sulfur dioxide and sulfide preservatives in the diet. If there's high amount of sulfur dioxide and sulfide preservatives, it will lead to thiamine deficiency. And high carbohydrate content in the diet also leads to thiamine deficiency. Certain diseases may also cause thiamine deficiency in your dog. That is diseases in the intestinal tract which leads to malabsorption. And liver diseases and diuretics may lead to thiamine deficiency in your dog. Symptoms of thiamine deficiency: anorexia, weight loss, lethargy, vomiting, anxiety, involuntary eye movement, protrusion of eyeball, neuropathy, muscle spasms, tachycardia and seizures. Diagnosis of thiamine deficiency through the dietary history or by clinical signs, response to thiamine administration, finally through MRI finding. There are various thiamine supplements can be found in the market. They are available in oral tablets, ingestible powders, or for the veterinarians as injectable solutions. Supplementation of vitamin B1 recommended by veterinarians during deficiency symptoms, skin conditions. Vitamin B1 can act as flea and tick repellent when animals suffering from anxiety. To reduce anxiety, you may supplement vitamin B1. Conditions like cataract prevent by vitamin B1 supplementation, and when necessary of calming effect. Rich sources of vitamin B1 are beans like mung, navy, pink, pinto and black beans, squash, that is acorn, butternut, etc. Green leaves like spinach, and legumes like green peas and sesame seeds. Fishes that are rich in vitamin B1 are yellowfin tuna, salmon, mackerel, shad, trout and herring. Animal products that are rich in vitamin B1 are beef, poultry, or organ meat, eggs and milk. We are coming to the end of the presentation. Hope you enjoy well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Meet you soon again with another episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.